Hello, this is Amber Wood. Welcome to video number 12. Today I'm going to do a little quick vid on something I just bought, and I've been wanting to try this for a while. You might have seen it. It's the Wunderbrow. Yes, I was on HSN. Bad news. Don't go on the Home Shopping Network. It's bad. But no, I saw this. I saw it in the other day in CVS, and I was like, I want to try it, but I don't know. And then I saw it on Home Shopping Network, and they had a pretty good deal. I don't know if they still have it, but you might want to check it out. They had 2 brushes and 2 things of the gel. It says it's a one-step brow gel, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to try it out. It was 26 bucks for 2. So it comes with this little guy here with the color, and then you get the little brush. It's super cute. It's got a spoolie on one end and the little angled brush on the other. So I'm going to give it a shot. Now normally I just do like eyeshadow with my eyebrows. And then I've tried this thing, the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which I do like. I'm just not very good at it. So I thought, you know, I'd give it another try with another product and see how it goes. So let's see. Now it says, this was, like I said, it was 26 bucks, and I ended up with 2 things. It says a complete one-step solution to thicker, more beautiful eyebrows. Permafix gel technology locks the color in tiny hair fibers to give the skin, what? To the skin, oh, I can't read. Tiny hair fibers to the skin, giving you thicker, more defined brows that are smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and waterproof for up to 3 days. So, let's check it out. Now, the one I got was like a brunette. God, they locked it in. My son's right behind me, so don't mind the weird noises. He's just playing with stuff. Okay, so it's like a liquid. It looks like, oh, it's got like a little brush. Now, I'm not going to use that brush. That's a no. I'm going to put it on, not the spoolie. Spoolie, I love a spoolie. Brush those mothers out. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on my hand. I think that'll be the easiest thing. And then I'm just going to kind of go from there and see how this works. So, like I said, I've never tried this before, so this is complete first impressions. Okay. I can't even see. Maybe I need more. Okay, so like I said, I'm used to powder, and it does it really quickly. Okay, this is okay. What are you doing back there? He's squiggly. Just woke up from a nap, and then I put him in the thing. He's like, Mom, I want to go crawl around and do stuff. We'll do that in a minute. Okay, this is actually not bad. I saw a video the other day. My friend Lori sent me like this brow, oh, it's on the other side. This brow like expert. And I totally didn't ever think of this before, is to go from the top as well. Just trying to like do little hair strokes. And then you can brush it back up. Makes them look fuller. Okay, that looks nice. I feel like you have to take a little bit more time with it because it is a liquid. Rather than the eyeshadow, which I usually do pretty quickly. But, I mean, that looks pretty good. And I think I picked a good color. I need a little bit more to do the other side. Okay, so I'm just, like I said, I'm just putting it on my hand to use like a little paint swatch. Oh God, I'm dropping stuff. How's everybody doing today? Doing okay? Doing okay. It's a beautiful day outside. If anybody cares. Depends on where you live. I'm in Texas, so it's usually hot here, but it's pretty nice out. spring, you know. Okay, so I'm going to do that top thing again. Hold on. Oh, we lost the passy. There you go. Uh-oh. I might have to finish this video quicker than I thought. You know, that's what happens when you got a kid. Cut things short. Okay. This is, okay, so here's my thoughts. You gotta take a little bit more concentration because it's the liquid. Now how it's gonna dry and all that later, I'll have to put that like in my information to see how it did later on. What are you doing? You okay? There's no joking allowed. No. He gets like all the saliva in his mouth from sucking on the pacifier, and then he just like is choking on his own spit. Okay. So anyway, yeah, so you gotta concentrate a little bit more. It's taking a little bit more time. Yeah. But I feel like if it does what it says, and we'll see, I guess when I take off my makeup later, I need to avoid my eyebrow area to see if it actually stays for 3 days. So I can do kind of a wear test. Will you stop coughing? Are you okay? Huh? Yeah, he's okay. Alright, yeah, so I'll put that like in my comments. I'm just having trouble on this one little spot. I don't understand what the problem is. But I think they look good. Yeah. I mean, I'll definitely use this. I think it looks good, and I think I picked a good color. It said the brunette was like just universal, you know, for brown-haired people. So they had a nice range of colors. It was like 5 or 6 colors, I think. Comes with, like I said, the gel. Ooh, there's something else in here. What is this? Oh, more spoolies. Love a spoolie. How cute. That came in the thing. So this whole thing was 26 bucks. I got this, and then I got 2 of these. So thanks, Home Shopping Network. I really enjoyed it. So you guys, I think it's a yeah, I think it's a win. I think I did good. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. So you guys, have a great day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do so below. Watch some of my other videos. You know, if you have any suggestions of videos you'd like to see, just let me know and I'll see if I can work something out. But you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.